guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of my holiday gift giving guide, I'm coming to you all with no makeup because I will be featuring another beauty related product in today's video. So I wanted to come on here with no makeup so you guys would understand the importance of using this product with a bare face. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this Kinga Nano facial steamer. And I absolutely love this steamer. This was actually recommended to me from another beauty influencer here on YouTube, and I picked it up and my life has changed, okay? It hasn't been the same since I've been using this steamer. So I really like this steamer because it's super affordable. It's under $30. You can order it off Amazon. That's where I purchased mine from, and I used the 2-day shipping. So it came to me pretty fast, and like I told you guys, it was under $30. This one retails for $26, and this one actually came with the Nano steamer that looks like this. And then it also came with the Beauty Blackhead and Blemish remover. So it comes with some tools in here. So it's really easy for you to remove your blackheads or whiteheads with this kit. Now, when I purchased mine on Amazon, I also noticed that they did have this exact same steamer for a few dollars cheaper, and that's because it did not include the blackhead and blemish remover kit. So if you want to pay a few extra dollars, I believe it was like $4 more, you can go ahead and get the tools that you need to fight your blackheads and remove your blemishes if you guys have any. But personally, I haven't used this toolkit because, as you guys can see, I don't get many blemishes. I don't really break out. I drink tons of water on a day-to-day basis. So I really felt like this product was something I wanted to incorporate in my life because, as you guys know, you can consume water internally and externally. So even though I'm putting water into my body, it's always good to just have some water on your face. And let me tell you guys, my sister is a licensed esthetician, and I go to her to get my facials done. And when I get my facials done, you guys, she knows I love the steamer. So she lets me sit under the steamer for like 30 minutes before she does my facial, and you can really tell a difference within your pores, within your skin. And if you guys did not know, steaming does help minimize your wrinkles. So before I go ahead and demonstrate how the steamer works, I'm gonna go ahead and read a few things off of the packaging because this box is really informative, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and read the Nano Facial Steamer. It says, healthier skin goes beyond the surface. The Kinga Nano Facial Steamer produces ultra-fine particles that penetrate your skin, multiple skin layers with ease. This helps with replenishing moisture, balancing skin oils, refining pores, and achieving overall more tender, smoother skin. Enjoy a professional aesthetic steam facial with simple, convenient one-touch operation. Which is another thing I did want to mention to you guys. It's so convenient. All you do is press this button up for on and down for off. Also, it doesn't go over 10 minutes, which I find really helpful because honestly, you guys, you could just sit here all day long and just get some steam going on, and you will literally lose track of time. So with this only being able to hold so much water, when the water's gone, it automatically turns off and it lets you know like, okay, the time is up. And one last thing I wanted to mention to you guys before I go ahead and show you how it works is it does get hot really quick. So you want to keep a good distance, okay? Because if you don't, you will burn your face, and it's really hot water, you guys. So that's something you want to keep in mind. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this demonstration, and you guys will see why I feel like this gift is perfect to give away for the holiday season. And for the price, $30, it's really affordable. It's not like you're breaking the bank, but it's more than a $10, $15 gift. It's really thoughtful, and for the price, I think it's a hands down amazing buy. So I will leave the links in the description box. Make sure you guys check it out. Like I said, I purchased mine off Amazon and I ordered it and got 2-day shipping, so it came to me pretty fast. So make sure you guys check that out if you're interested, and let's just go ahead and jump right into the demo. So I first take the water and I place it here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And while you wait for it to warm up, it typically takes 45 seconds to get hot, and you wanna make sure you have yours on a leveled surface so this way it can stay sturdy. You do not want to hold it or have it like on your bed. So it's starting to warm up. I can see a little bit of the steam come out. You guys will be able to see it here pretty shortly. Okay, so as you guys can see, the steam is coming out, and that's one last tip I did want to share with you guys. When you're steaming, you want to make sure your hair is out of the way, because if not, your hair will get wet. So I'm just going to go ahead and push my hair back, and I'm going to move forward closer to the steam, but not too close, because it can get hot. So you guys are able to see how easy it is to use this steamer. It's super convenient, and you do get that luxury spa feeling at home. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys again what it looks like. All you do is turn it down, press the off button for it to go off, and again, this is on and off. So I really enjoyed the steamer. I wanted to mention this on my holiday gift giving guide. So again, if you guys are interested in picking this up for yourself or for someone in your life as a holiday gift, I will have all the information down in the description box. Make sure you guys check that out, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
We are dreaming.